Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about dated if DAX function. First, what is dated if DAX function? Dated if DAX function returns the count of interval in specify range start date end date. If start date is longer than end date, an error is returned. Syntax: dated if start date end date interval. Interval means you can add interval space, seconds, minutes, hours, day, week, month, quarter and year. You can, for example, you can add in this place day. It's automatically counting total days, start date and end days, total days. Okay, let's check this dated if function in Power BI desktop. Okay, I'm already manually prepared some data. Okay, next click column. Okay, type here dated if. Okay, next one is start date, sales date, it's start date. Next one is sales date. Okay, next one I can add day. See this, it's automatically counting days. Days start date August 24 to September, October 24, total counting days 61 days. Okay, and next you can add in this place hour. It's automatically counting hours. Okay, next you can add minute. You can add minute. It's automatically counting minutes, total minutes. And next you can add quarters. Okay, see this displaying quarters. Next one is you can add seconds. See this seconds. Next you can add weeks. It's automatically counting weeks start date to end date. Okay, this is dated if function. Okay, please subscribe our channel Lakshmi's